Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is First Trader here, and I welcome you. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, I drop forex trading strategies, forex trading guides, videos on different things. Once it's forex trading, this is your home. Please consider subscribing. Then, if you have been here, if you are my trader, you already know how we do it. Please smash that like button for me. Share this video if you find it interesting. Yeah, the previous video I posted a video on how to trade currency pair. If you know nothing, like you don't know anything about trading and you want to start trading, you want to start somewhere, okay? Maybe you don't have money to pay for classes or any other stuff, you just need to start trading. Like you just watch this video, create an account and you start trading. I created a video like that. You can check it out if you have not watched it. So I created a video on a desktop, and many were asking me on the comment section I should do the mobile video on how to use the same strategy the same way. So, and that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. Okay, so if you have not watched the video, that's the previous video. I will also include the link below the description of this video also. Then if you want to join my Telegram group, you can also join. The link will be below in the description of this video also. Now we dive into this video. First of all, you can see that I am on this is USD JPY. So I just have to, and this is the final zoom level. Okay, so I will zoom out completely, and I'll just follow me the first zoom level, which is this one. You can see it. We can then zoom again. 2. You can either use this 2 or you use 1. So our zoom level is going to be 1 or 2, any one that is best for you. So but I'm going to use 1 so that you guys will see clearly, as in see the overview of everything. But if you are using your own, if you're having eye issue or anything, you can zoom to second zoom level or even third. Now, what the indicators I added there, I used 2 indicators, which is the 3 smoothed moving average and moving average stop and reverse. Okay, so I've already figured out some moving average that do the same thing you see there. You still see the same thing here. So we are going to be using first we are going to be using 4 moving averages. The first moving average we are adding here is moving average 21, that is period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and you can see the information here. Then after that, we go, the next moving average is moving average 50. You have shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. You can see I choose the color, you choose different colors. Okay, now you click on done. Then the next moving average here is moving average 84. Okay, moving average 84, shift 0, method exponential, and the style is you can see the style 2 pixels, then the color, any color of your choice. Then the last moving average is period 200. Then you have the method simple. Okay, remember others are exponential, this one is simple. Then apply to close, you change the color. Then on the style, you change it to 4 pixels, make the thing bold so that you can see clearly, because that is our take profit level, or I think stop loss level, sorry, that's our stop loss level. Okay, so now I'll go back to the chart. So you can see the chart here. All right, so let's start from what is happening currently. You can see we're on a buy market. Okay, we are buying USD JPY. The reason being that the same way, if you have watched that previous video, you already know what to do. That you just have to see all these lines, the black, gold, and blue line. You have to see them under. The condition is just when you see all our lines under or below the chart, all right, below the candlesticks, we are to buy. If we see them above, we are to sell. Okay, as simple as ABC. Then the stop loss level is this one. That's why we added 200 moving average. Okay, simple moving average. This 200 is going to be our stop loss. Okay, so let's just see what happened here at this point. Okay, this point, you can see what happened here, that all the moving average, they have been ranging here. They have been a kind of within between the lines here, but at this point they successfully crossed below the chart. Okay, once they cross below the chart, you place your buy. All right, when you place your buy, you set your stop loss at this point, follow this line. So all you need to do is keep locking in profit as the price keep going, you are shifting your stop loss below our moving average 200. Okay, so currently your stop loss should be here. So assuming you enter this trade at this point, okay, when they crossed, so your stop loss should be here by now, and your price should be at this point. Okay, so as the price keep going, the stop loss keep moving up. All right, you keep shifting your stop loss. Or if you want to set it so tight, okay, if you don't have enough equity, you can set your stop loss below our golden line. So your stop loss should be here. If you have a very small equity that cannot withstand all this movement, you can just set your stop loss very close using this golden line. So the first stop loss, if you can, is below or at our moving average 200, this one. Okay, but if you have a very small account, don't give the price room to, you know, almost close your account for you. All right, so you have to set your stop loss very close. You use the golden line. So anywhere you see the golden line, you set your stop loss. So we should get, let me get a horizontal line. So our stop loss should be somewhere here now. Okay, as the price keep moving, this line keep going up, you keep shifting your stop loss at the point you see the price until the price reverses and trigger your stop loss. You close. Okay, your stop loss closes, as in they will close you out of the market once your stop loss is triggered. So this is how to trade this. Okay, if you watch the video on computer system, you discover is more easier because you have our stop loss signal and our take profit signal, where to enter and where to exit there. So I try figuring out a kind of another way to do it on mobile. All right, so all you need to do is to see these three moving averages, trade lines below the chart. Okay, once you see them below the chart, you follow this. As you can see here, let's just scroll back a bit. You can see here all the lines crosses below, and we enter our buy at this point and keep shifting our either you take this line as your stop loss, or you take the golden one as your stop loss. So until the price, if you are using this one, okay, if you are using this one, look at where you would have your stop loss will be triggered at this point. You could have closed your trade at that point, okay, because you see the price came down and retest that line. Okay, so but if you are using this one, if you are using this, your stop loss could have been triggered somewhere here. Okay, so I suggest you use this for scalping. Okay, you use the golden line for scalping. All right, that's where you'll be setting your stop loss. As the price keep moving, you keep shifting your stop loss. All right, so if you backtest, you see that this strategy is amazing. Okay, you can see here what happened as they crossed, all the line crossed below all our charts. All right, you enter your buy and you keep riding the trade. Okay, so it keep happening, guys. It keep happening. You can see when they crossed, you see the movement. We can still go to other this thing. Let me see. It's like my network is oh, sorry about this. That's why. Okay, now if you go to USD Canadian dollar, if you go to the chart, you can still see what is happening right now. Now if you have entered this trade and you are using the second stop loss, which is here, if you are using here, you will be safe by now. You'll still be on this trade. But if you use this one, your stop loss could have been triggered by now at this point. Okay, so you see that it works well both on all the currency pairs. You can also trade volatility, that is stating indices, with this strategy. So if I should go to, let me say I go to volatility 75, okay, you can still see that these things work perfectly well here also. You can still see they work perfectly well. You can see the cross. Okay, so once they cross at this point, you enter your sell and you keep shifting your stop loss here as this line goes down. Okay, so see where your stop loss will be triggered at this point. If you are using this first stop loss level, or if you are using this one, you still be on this trade even by now. Okay, but if you have a very small account, I advise you use this golden line, or we can even have the third eye. In fact, you have options here. You can set your stop loss at even the blue line. If you feel like giving it room to breathe, you can set at that blue line, or this golden line, or our moving average 200. You have to take decision depending on your equity, but the important thing is that you are in profit. Okay, so this thing works well both on volatility. It works well on, you can see that massive movement upward. When there is a cross, all of them crosses below, then you enter your buy and you enjoy the movement. Okay, so this is how to trade like a pro when you're a beginner, just adding few indicators, following the trend. Guys, you are going to be making a lot of money. Remember, you must see a good trending market for you to make a lot of money out of the market using this strategy. Guys, I will see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you have not, smash that like button and share the video also. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.